What is the point? The point is that I have gotten very, very good at divorce. I've matured. And so there's no more Lethal Lolita. No more Lethal Lolita. Because now we got Deceptive Deborah.
Great job!
Thanks for that great guitar, right? Yeah, check it out.
Why are you holding it like that?
Okay, now back to our regularly programmed, whatever, regularly scheduled program. I think that's what they say. Now, I think you guys know I'm not big fans of the media, right?
Yeah!
In fact, I believe I may have been the first to call it fake news. Hey, Marlon, can you get the father thing to remote the father? Someone tell him. But that's all right. Song still sounded good anyway, right, guys? Okay. It's time to get some funk in there. What do you think? Oh yeah. Let's get a little funky deal. Get them, fall down, not best, but everything's structure. Evil starts with love. Is it better love, live, dear love? Yeah. yeah, yeah. In the you, 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 you. In the you, you, you. In the you, you, do, you. In the you, 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 you. In the you, you, you. In the you, 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 you. In the you, you, you.
It's all you, Corey!
It never ends.
Houston, Texas! Katy, Texas! When you find a dream, wanna make it real, make it how you feel, put it out to do what you wanna do, make your dream come true. Go, go, go! Go, go, go for it!
What are you doing?
Tried. I asked for we want to change it. Didn't play their jazz number. Well, there's probably gonna be another encore.
Double encore. I will end my life if he gets back up on that stage.